27 more minutes to 4. Patrol, good afternoon. I believe say Bibia are you cool. Ewie me ma akwaba. Eba Ofie Kwanso so ewa Adom 106.3 FM. Ewie me mpaibo ene se Erade bema ensenkyereni edi wonso ompaibo echi. Minim ompaibo. Minim wadesrede ya wode ato Erade anim. Minim de wabise Erade enede. But it is my prayer. Say whatever it is that you've put before the Lord. Oma ensenkyereni eni echire. Sebeya obi bia behu sampa wo ye nyame a wote ase nyame ema enye ho watro na Monday the 17th of June 2019. I believe that the weekend was good. Said the tibia no nyame hu ye mobo na wama na Adom no aso yen so na wakan yen akante asefo ho ede yan hye na wotwe foforo ase nko ade ye beka se eye enunti enase bi wo aseda bi wo a onon kuto enesese ye de ma no mesamo akwa babie eba Ofie Kwanso dwumedie so wa Adom 106.3 FM. Your friend Jerry Justice. We many Papa Bills Ofie African akete enuzu yawa enti wonso wo hwe die na chese yabo abusua ne sa ifisa be kopem se be bo nwumre no nsia ma yentena e wo Ofie Kwanso dwumedie so wa Adom 106.3 FM. Na enemi obi bisunku bia me no be obeka somewhere last week me can say ye ba behwe serious competition pa ene ye besre a na ya hwede obetimi awini na wo a obetimi adi nkunim no 100 Ghana cedis worth of airtime. Yes, credit card be kasa wo phone so akete say wow. As unfortunately akete won kan ho e for etie for alone. E pe bi obetimi asre pa to say kwam kachi ya ofre fi kopega enti we no mix abrochie for ne Ghana phone na betimi afre wo Ghana ha na say wo sre na wutimi wini a wo benya 100 cedis worth of airtime abrochie for no so de no package ne esronko and a different one and so any dying minute enti pacho get ready to laugh na yen share how best you can laugh. Ofie Kwanso with the me Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. That's right. Say it to me, nyame aye. Esan so fata ye. Ona na watwe wie wakan ho aboy ho ban ede atwa. Come. Toda e mu bi ho no mu a. Ye pese am Awurade fans kakra na say e fari bi ni ade bi sa ne ade. Asori dem kreta si. Once will be in a mere evidence or born in some crown and some style be. I saw flexibisa. The casa embessa and pesa bessa. I'm on for try you know, I saw them, Sarah. Boating go now tap on nice. Shake your body, you know. Then you say, what do I say? The other day I was at church and I meet here someone the preacher man said something. Also, no, say that any who crown out to be a cash near Botomuno. That day, not to was a shipper, was shut at the papa. And you suit your bone say our bass and who is it? I think it was elder Alfred Niza. As me cannot go to Botum, but one budget to heavy power. Oh, Nano San baby, or baby, you say, yeah, gentleman, Eban. Office baby, or come baby, or baby, say, yes, Debbie, don't give the devil the chance. The Timmy says, Zebi knew whatever the situation. Massa, I always wear that smile, and I always love my laughter. Not because I be slim, and I'm because what do I say? So today I want you to laugh, and then my person was straight. Minyanaka kwam catch your first. Kwam so good. Me say me person about kwam catch it me straight na fe na me akra. I weak. My goodness. Kwam catch it. Oh, too much. I brand your nest repair. It's your name, person. Oh, the person so friend now, sick a crack. Oh, so never shame with devil. Now, say now. Oh, say it to be quite me. You know, easy. Why we can't say be judge, you know, is going to be difficult. And yes, you'll be obeying me. I say, there be Obi-Wan is serious, no certain cross sign AS3. There's this bank manager, one of our sales guys called on the bank, no, very few bank, no. I mean, bank, no, Tema branch be, but I've forgotten the exact bank. And sales guys no back home. Tinkomodi de munano say, I don't write. Yes, that time not me working happiness. What's hey? You see, anytime I come to the office, that guy who does the working happiness, also just was hey, that guy when I listen to him. Even if he's not saying anything funny, then I'm laughing because I like the way he laughs. Mr. Austriana, Mr. My wow, serious, mentia someone but the mere fact that he's laughing, I'm Mr. Sa Obuwa ne sire no sire a etima won so sire even though wonte asem bia yesire what I say I say me name mama call hospital na obi amami yare oh yeah trying to go to the consulting room to see the doctor na mami bi so yare hwe wan kona ho no so wo kiwi ni mu ana mami no timi say ade na sinimu. Now, my many one now all bono. In fact, you could tell that the woman was in pain, but no one no AS3. My many one of us. Why? And why you dear said the Lubetia? I feel mammy to your know just you. And I'm saying, Amma, Obi, Obeja, Sarah. Oh, three. I asked him, hey, mommy, Wobre. And you had to be on when she done your dear Biasa, but it's me to two now, so say. Just said, come catch it, Miss Rihanna, Miss Rihanna. I want you to laugh. It's your next repana, how best you can laugh. 0302-216-561. 0302-216-562. What if you say serious creative inside? Yeah. Sure. And your bro from no friend ya grow. Obi one more send your man ko ye na situation or woman and some star bisa near there. Then they will go to some comedy shows be near there just to go get some laugh. What I say? Osresa obebe fie no na say why fine. What I show be a odi arewa wo munemu na nanim bi near there no. Any will be osresa pa the two of them I share. Who said the osresa no they look healthy or healthier than omo answer at bia no munemu na. Sankrov. some problem. Be an woman as will be in BB. Etimian Kaka. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Rajari.
Now me patch. Hey.
Rajari, your family J. Make us a free dance.
Umo di you grant us the Yasha say. I would
Rajari,
yes.
From 2050 and Saka.
Hey, and your wabre, and I don't Saka.
Yeah, put my dear was out of the
Okay. It's in Pacha or Srepa.
Brother, if I I'll be a dream.
Obian to me or much more. What's the word you will be anti me, say?
Obviously,
Me Pacha say, cry. What's that from say? Hey, I'm come you. Yeah, radius. Welcome as I had. I dear we have me. Oh no. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Patrick Frost, eh?
I didn't know you. Vangover of one almost a son.
Udina Gasakra, a gentleman. A gentleman, towards it. Towards who you start, towards it. A gentleman train. Towards it. I feel show city and as a sin of the myriad. I don't know. I dear pa. You into the cosmetic why? Was this the Tina? Unim. Almost say, I'm saying, I'm to me as I did me. Or say, I'm like, be at us. Let him say, jumper. Hello. Good afternoon. Patrick Rose. I
am
Kwaku
Al
Hassan.
Yes.
And also Kazafi.
Suhun.
Densus. Oh, okay. All right, now, Minty or Casa Muso, you'll be our person. You.
Oh.
Kwaku eti mekasa minti o kasa muso you be a president na
we are
comedies and then patrosre we dey do my house for no okay and then Kwaku house and sre na ere Kwaku oh my Kwaku and see you why binum say no say na say akam I say aloke next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Black Jerini.
Hey, now the Oba. Your friend say, hey.
Jim FM.
What's it ready?
Oh, Chiri, I'm going to come.
Watch it. Wow. AJ, I surprised my. Wow. Watch it. Watch it. Why you know? Watch it, that's why. Hey. Yeah, I feel crying to meet you, Gravia. Next caller, hello.
Hello, Jerry.
Yes, boss, but your froze.
But you're meeting Daniel.
Oh, Dan.
Yes.
I know the Okasa now says from. So we main cast shall say you.
That means pursue that.
Who pursue that? Ah, any Assyrian quay, may I do?
Radio calling.
What's your froze?
Yes,
Daniel.
Yeah, Bram Daniel, come Kuma. I'm a miracle when you.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pastor Frosty.
Yeah, that's very more can come on to.
That's it.
Inia.
Bokode.
Yeah, very good.
You, okay, it's you. It's move. What are you? Oh no. Me fear me ya. I feel me fear me ya. Na aden I say a man kwa na esresa na man no. Aden. Aside the first caller no know you about right. Aside her. Mama can na me man kwa o. Hey, hello. My brempo. Hello.
Hello, Apo. Ane Jerry Justice.
Apostle Kwabra. Yeah.
Ono ni Apostle Kwabra ni.
Apostle Kwabra. Na say o me wu za wa frame ya o sre da o.
Ana ora on me to me no. Na sama upa Jesus ka to me.
Sre mami.
Where the people be ni to aso.
Sre mami na bidie.
Jerry Justice you say what do FM na na me high lawyer. Hey, you mama wedi, upe bibi aji sobre.
Juma fan.
Apo me kwa bra report manya, ko to ni ba ko pa obi am frame kwa. We po de mawini.
Osi we po de mawini.
Ya, diki mawini o, pa mi to mawini. Mo chumi o baba
yo. Not this year, that one. Move on, Jimmy. Why?
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
I feel my bread, me and Casa me in the studios. 90, we have 2 pen count the fancy. Why? Because my bread. My bread, pa. Sisiana me denyane. That's my bread. Hello?
Roger.
Yes, good afternoon.
Me and Casa Crana, me friend, who come and fear me as one. If I try to grow it, now me and go phobia. Woman say, or Muko, Henny, and Uncle Boko, Sevi, and you now, one thing can was Doctor who does a culture bed, was it? Maybe Henny and not your channel.
Now, about your process.
I clear everything already. Now, me, I'm finishing to me. You want to say, even now, the right element, fear me, I'm too crying. Just as you. I know you.
Only one no.
You're right, Mama.
Never for last one. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
I just say Oba and Yesha say Oba ni you from saying.
But your friend me Agnes. Got a free Abeka.
Agnes.
But
okay. Agnes. Oh, towards Agnes towards. Oba na ma sound bi we jora.
But
ono no supporting you back
backing vocalist.
Okay, but trust me uncle.
Ready. Jim FM.
Agnes, yeah, that's why.
But you.
Now I am really, really, really tired. Wow. But your mama catch a breath, kakra now. My breath. Nafi, you are not to us. Yes, and yes, you are kind pa. One guy on also sleep ya say so only ya say. Hey, that guy today laugh, eh? Yeah, fast that my pro sponsors no. Nah, yeah, Banafi. Yababe announce winner. Yes, we a winner takes all. 100 Ghana credits and announce airtime no. Oh, baby, you know funny now. You need your toss, you need your toss me and Sabia. Feco spray starch. I say and Rame Kwasoyo site 2. Church of Pentecost. Na mami bi in fact manage mami no ho. Later na my friend na me bisa ni din. My friend Aunt Peggy. Hey, mami na ho keka pa awurade. Man no so na say de mami no besa. Na sa akasa he no. In fact, my core Pentecost are sorry branches different bebre mu. But minshia obia obakasa de to say mami we. What? Aunt Peggy. Nyamisha wate. said the ram catch on ubia or the obey or the beko heaven. I believe strongly say Obebaka say I could be heaven. No about trust roll. Yamisha then Yamisha side 2 food na so great side 2. If I try fecal spray starch unya bi na o de to ade a e ma ade na auto no eye boko e de ma o mre ho kra unya de gu material nani na o de iron ne fa so pe eno ano no atenetene wie enu ti bomode a pe bi achi akwan ne bo nso nye de they are available at shops and stores and supermarkets. I would only name it. It nice fragrance to the two idea. No, I tried in my and until I say Feco Spray Starch, Lucky Sharp. We are another quality product if it's Samara Company Limited. Petra Trust. Also, that you may unya and there. Ono employer and kasa wine any trustee. Yeah, that will be to ya or lump sum benefit at the amount at retirement. So to me, and you be our employer no cry no tier 2 contributions no utia now untia. You need to know the state of your pension contributions. Yeah. And into Bomodia now every trustee need verify with details need na so be nya so be correct any irregularities be and why in temper ya. So the Petra phone management there any what ready. Simply dial *447*70#. Now I select option 5. Now I submit your contact details now for verification. For further inquiries, visit www.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. As they do, your farmer Kojak Pharma Limited. Almost so NMI. Kojak F. Any Kojak P toothpaste, and a Kojak F, any Kojak P mouthwash, any Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Wow, they are there, and are there chilled, and are there hot pan now, sing FM on. We be here Kojak F toothpaste, and then a mouthwash no now where you swear. A big guy, what any severe one part there, I'm patch use Kojak P no. We use best 4 weeks now. I switch it to Kojak F no. I be call I. Up a best result. I know the Kojak sensitive toothbrush na account. Hey, chakwan. Or can she drug in a bedroom to do me? Yes, our pharmacy shop be a bin be a mono. Ubinya product TB. Which means our phrase 0249-209-920 and our phrase 0260-870-780. FDI Sankra to move him waja to say a correct pa. Finally, as they do on the Farmer Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited, GT Bank. And they only Visa International account boom reward customers. You won't be making payment with their Visa debit or prepaid card with an unforgettable AFCON experience. If we sabi I copy him there, say June we will be Visa. No, just I couldn't go to down the mouth. 2 customers on bit me a use of Visa cards. No, they are minimum of 20 online and then POS transactions. No, a bit me and Yakwenya say. Egypt. Now, any AFCON group stage game be out their choice no more share. Now, 1 lucky customer be we need the ultimate package, you know, and only say on any partner and any bar. I bet you can copy more Egypt now. Say, Kobase players, no, if you turn on no more be more pitch now. Now, yeah, they are the balance so I can be. Now, I escort stars, no, straight up to the pitch. Comparing up at the end. Because one they use who there. Say, by out to be to me and Yasa, when you can see it to say, terms and conditions apply. About your phrase 050-144-9490 or 050-140-9480 for further inquiries. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Or check your time now, no nayabo. Now, me minimum na cry ya. Some masri yeah. More sharing live on Facebook. No, Ubon say obesha say micro airtime no. We are 20. Dear Kambu mo 100. What I say? Inti 100 Ghana cedis worth of airtime. Inti no. We MTN de na Vodafone de so and Airtel Tigo de so inti no. Wa ube wini no. Ye share o number na we use na and as our network now use na near the amount so It's going for the winner on Tino. And then what? Ube winning. You need to call us and let us know, say you've received the 100 Ghana cedis airtime. No, what I say. Then you say, "I'll be bedroom see yeah, kind of there be yes, that's what it is." Okay. Ya ba beti asem wadi tu your home for. Sisi a na fear de aka to aso. Sana no yemfa dedications kakra emfamu. Belated Father's Day greetings and comma Professor Afari, Department of Epidemiology na epidemiology and then disease control, School of Public Health, University of Ghana, Lagos, Mr. William Kwesi Dakon, Mr. Asare Dakon of TDC, from the widow and the children of the late AEC. Almost more appreciate him. Okay. Afa. Yeah, Baba. Emilia Asamoah Otu. Ewo Gapoa. HR Department, Head Office. O birthday, any day. The 17th of June. 2019. Happy birthday to you. And then William Asamoah Otu, EcoBank Ghana, Head Office Accra, Legal Department. Also birthday no on the 15th NLD. That was a Saturday, right? So I'm wishing the two of you happy birthday. Obi enenere nti you obana de ene eno be man de ne last Saturday nyame enhira na onye mo kese ontomo kwande o Yesu di Evansia. So Obakaya Friday no. Me no cha sembi. Ena me catch us say asem no nyame ya adom na yetinkomu a ene ejodai ye beto aso ne de ne nkae no atu ye hofo. Na fe ebenada ochena nyame ya adom a ye wie no kra. Enti ene ye to aso from where we left off last Friday. so just a quick reminder, the last Friday, you can't want seven. What Professor no say in life, you will need someone to talk to, someone who listens, someone who understands. But be careful whom you discuss your personal issues with. When you shared on last week Friday, na me ka say ne ye beto aso. It impacho ene de na ye di to your phone. Or say, never tell your problems to everyone. And this is the reason. 20% of them don't care. And 78% of them are glad you have those problems. Or say, never tell your problems to everyone. 20% don't care. And 78% are glad you have those problems. Nti ese utimi ma wenda ho. Na ne senti no, na ese unse percentage ni bi akam, de akam no ochena ene be conclude ni ahwe 2% na aka no. Ekwan a ehon so yesese ye defa so. Enka wasem ntro bia, but wo hwe de Friday e kan na, wo se wa brabo mu be hia obi yesese utimi ye den. Ene ne ebedi nkomo. Obi a otie o, obi a ote wase. Nanso esese wo ya hwe yie, obi a one ne be ka wasumasem. Enene ede ne ka chen se ma yen kan ye haw ne amane ne bibia nkyere wo bibia akekesa esan se enipa dodo no oha emu chichemu aduonu 20% enfom ho se wo ba wo ka wasem je they careless enemu aduoson wotwe 78% omo so kra de omo ani agimpo so wo sa problem na waba na wo ka che o man ka adwin so mbebo ano enu tie se utimi woni da ho na fi eden na sese wo ye enu no nyame ya adom a na ye tinkomu a ochena ye behwe di akiri no na ye de no ato aso yemfa asedama ye boafo ye boa ye ma ye de sa asemi breo MTN ye do mo asepa ene MTN mobile money at the 10 years, agro like joke, mobile money buy so mo ya share any ade and nay omo AD omo 10th anniversary tinache say momo at 10 to ye momo promo sa na friend momo promo pa any de bre won babi nya kwanya kese atimi ate de pa you see the journey of 1,000 miles. We the end can begins with one step. We the end began 10 years ago. TNA and Guswa yes celebrity. The MTN is giving away 10 brand new Hyundai vehicles. Yeta kan Hyundai o Ghana hapa. Saka CB maku do 10. Where MTN Momo at 10 promo. What you say? So the all new Santa Fe bako eka home. What you say? No, na grand price no. And at the akano ye I10 ni bi na hanti. Kitwan. Na grand one no. I SUV go yipa. So also betimi anya akwanya so betimi anya sa prices mu bia. Any other exciting price has been to say Samsung smart TVs, up to 3,000 Ghana cedis in e-cash every month bia. And also be to me there. So just keep using your MTN Momo more, for your everyday transactions in order to build points. Now we're winning big from now to the end of August 2019. Only on Ghana's best network. Remember, promo winners would be contacted only on 0244 300 000. Sa number we pay to be the baby sa tankofo is more advanced pa as an phone will be the number bia na yes our number we are forget or that down we yet odo ho shem na we near it is only this number na be contact you, not by text message bia na ade bia you be throw on this number underline say a calling and yet testing 0244 300 000 and one. That's all. So just dial *120# to check your points. Never say what do I hear? So the vim shame more, now they are shame. Terms and conditions apply. So go on, just momo it. We there for you everywhere you go. As they do on Koma Roma insecticide spray. Pebia chakwan na efa kumuntuntum na eye free. Bibia timi akoyi kama e de amount. Na tuntum ni ntumu ahadwen. Ombe tete wa. Wo de ade to baabi abekore na atate abe 1000. Omo abifum hu na omo se no. Wo de oba to baabi abehwe na kakape ants or ayi. Akape cry there. Akape is ant. Atata is what? I've forgotten. Boom, kaka near the idea. Then tuntum so tete. Near the disturb sleep. Mansankan Roma insecticide spray in the coil. A bebo pa. Na some worry na cleom. Now sweat me I free. Ne bonso yedin available or shops and stores and supermarkets I would any name. Roma insecticide spray in the coil or send Tonton Master. We are another quality product fee. Samara Company Limited. You don't want to say so much on your snake. Am I TA? And then as some year to your home for. Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. But right now I want you to dance for me. Do the dance, kakra. What I say? Joami, Unu.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Sakoma, Nengona ba. Zazo. Kakwe mi jono, mbong jono. Kakwe boni mi famo mi na Jimmy high, mbong jono. Olega Jimmy na jila lanta. No hani mi kwa mi kabobala. No hani mi jo ni mi dota masam mbong jono. Anye mi.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.